Future-proofing. One of the most common questions I receive, having run a boutique PC building business and assembling over 500 systems at this point, is that of future-proofing. Concept Soup, PC Tech Channel, this is the PC FAQ series, answering the most common questions about PC tech. I'm here today to tell you that future-proofing is a nonsense term with no real meaning. So stick with us here and we'll help you navigate the muddy waters of PC technology. So what does future-proofing actually mean? I suppose people use this term to mean how long will it last? And that's a really tough question to answer. It depends on so many factors, including your own personal preference. Your PC is not going to get slower at playing today's games. It will play them until the end of the time or until the thing blows up. But perhaps we mean, will this PC, these PC components, play future games well? We can't really answer that question either. No one knows how demanding future games will be, what games you will choose to play, and what peripherals you're going to use. Something could come out tomorrow which completely changes the way that we experience games, and perhaps that makes what you've got now not as valuable as you thought. But that's all well and good saying what we can't do, but what can we do? The advice is the same as it always was: buy the best PC or PC components you can sensibly afford at the time. And if we're using historical experience, we can say that you'll experience a similar level of performance from the day that you buy for about 3 years. Then there is further longevity if you're willing to play at lower detail settings and make other compromises. My advice: don't get a cheap PC, but also don't get a top-end PC either. From all the experience I have, I find the best value is in that Goldilocks zone. This typically represents a PC with a value between £1,000 and £1,500. This provides a mid to high-end experience. This will hold up well over time without overspending, and you also avoid the pitfalls of trying too hard to skimp and save. So that's it. I hope this advice, this tough love, was helpful. If so, drop a like. If no, drop a dislike. Either way, hope to see you in the next video. Adios. This video is brought to you in partnership with JCPCCustoms.com, purveyors of fine gaming PCs. But why buy from JCPC Customs? There are 3 pillars to what we do: enthusiast-grade build quality, stunning good looks that you are proud to display, and all at a fair price. But how do you get your hands on one? Well, we've got 3 methods. We have the ready-to-go PC section. These are PCs that are already built, ready to ship out with optimized specifications, so excellent for the most fuss-free experience. For those that want to spec out themselves, you can use our Configurator listing, and this is where you can choose some lists of parts that we have available to us. But for the most granular experience, the truly custom experience, you can use our custom spec service, and this is where you fill out our Google form. You can choose every component, even down to the model number, and any other accoutrements that you also want with the PC can be accommodated here. So thank you very much for watching, and head to jcpccustoms.com to learn more. Wait, don't go anywhere just yet. Quick one, I've got a discount code for you for jcpccustoms.com. Use code YTFREE at checkout. You get free shipping on anything on the website. That includes PCs, so that's like a £30 saving right there. Anyway, on with your regularly scheduled content.